Hi, my name is Ashley. I work at the Merck Co-op, and I'm here today to show you how to make overnight oats. So overnight oats, I think, are the perfect grab-and-go breakfast. They are simple, affordable, and real easy to make. It's just 2 ingredients as a foundation, and then you can top it off with whatever you want, whatever you have in your fridge or in your pantry.
Come on.
I prefer to use rolled oats, just the whole unprocessed oat. It makes for a nice kind of thick, creamy consistency. Here are chia seeds. Our chia seeds are in the refrigerated part of the bulk department. The bulk section here at the Merck is probably the best way to shop for organic or local foods on a budget. Cashew butter is my favorite. You're not having to spend the money on the packaging. Plus, you're also, minimizing as much waste as you can. Oats are great because they're packed full of nutrients, your B vitamins and different minerals that are actually associated with memory, with learning, as well as just having some anti-stress properties. I'm not going to do oat milk just because that's a lot of oats. I bought a lot of stuff.
Is this for a class?
Well, yeah, it's for a cooking video.
All right.
We'll have 2/3 of our rolled oats and just 1 cup of milk. So we have our chia seeds, just 2 tablespoons. The chia seeds are going to soak up a bulk of the liquid and give it a nice creamy texture. So you pour all your ingredients, all 3, into the container. We're gonna mix it up real good. So this is what goes in the fridge overnight. So when you're soaking grains or even nuts and seeds like our chia seeds here, you are making them more digestible and much more nutritious. So I have some already made overnight oats here. We're gonna make one with apples, cinnamon, pecans, and some local honey that we grabbed in the bulk. So there's one variation. And there's really no measurements here. It is all based on what you prefer. And I like chocolate, so we're loading this up. How about take on peanut butter and jelly? Instead, we're going to use cashew butter. And instead of jelly, we use strawberries. It's hard to go wrong with these overnight oats. You really can throw in whatever you have. And there you have it. An easy, affordable, simple meal that you can make at night, have it on the go, and most importantly, something that's gonna fuel you throughout the whole day.
Bye.